All right, guys, back. It's been a while. Sorry, I've had a cold and had some other personal stuff come up, so I haven't had a lot of time for the channel. But we'll start this off today with a box of 2019 Heritage Baseball. I'm not that familiar with this, but according to this is a real one autograph or a relic card in every box. So we're getting one or the other. I haven't seen this open the product. I know I've seen some video notifications come up where people have been breaking this, so hopefully it's some good stuff in here. Card show this weekend, so I will be doing a card show find from Oliver's this weekend, so there'll be another video coming up on that. So here we go. This is a hobby box, is that what this is?
I believe it is, because it's the only size they have, so
Yeah,
I
it
don't
came from a
think
card
there's
shop, so it's not from like Walmart or a box store, so.
Oh, I love these.
The little things.
Yeah. Open that last. Oh, before we start, I'm going to show you this. And you're going to want to get this. When I bought this, the guy who sold it to me gave me a copy of all of what the serial numbers mean.
Oh, that's
So
cool.
the base cards end in 092, the short prints 401 and higher. Those are 112. You got the, I don't know what French is, 093, but like silver medal, error cards, trade, throwback. These are all how they're listed as on this little tiny.
The tiny font at the bottom of
Yeah.
the card, like Topps needs to make all of us older people strain to learn. and
So
see.
yeah, you might want to freeze frame that if you
Yeah,
want.
guys, pause the video if you want to check that out. So it's there. If we get any, we'll let you know. If you guys know what that French 093 is, let us know. I mean, we can always look it up too.
For sure,
so.
that one's the one that I
Yeah,
didn't
just
get.
comment if you know what it is. So here we go. Pack one.
Unless it becomes really obvious, we pull out a card that's in French.
Yeah. All right.
See these like, oh, that's Crash. What year does this
70.
emulate?
I think it's 70, isn't it?
Springer. I saw a thing about him that he fans held up a sign that said that he looked like Marv from Home Alone. Oh, rookies! I'm glad they do these. That's kind of a random.
Cardstock. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
pretty thick on those cards.
Yeah, it's hardcore like they always are with these.
Kind of like the non-gloss finish on them too.
I'm gonna start with this one. Just saying.
Yeah.
Throw that out there. Ooh, I got a chrome right here.
There we go.
So they're still doing the, and they are out of, what is that, $9.99?
Yeah, $9.99. It's 200 something.
And that ends in 113. I guess that's not on the list.
So it's just a number card.
World Series.
Character,
I remember that. What team won the World Series? Oh, yeah, that's right.
It was rigged.
There's a Minter. He's solid.
Boston paid off all the refs and the umpires
That's right.
this year. So, baseball and football.
I was reading that this year is the first time in like 50 years that the World Series teams and Super Bowl teams were from the same cities.
Yeah.
L.A. and Boston. Oops, let's try this again. Ricky's Petites, Nate Jones, Danny Dove. He's popular around here. Bob Gibson and Max Scherzer. I just watched them in a pregame or in a preseason spring training game today.
Okay.
Sox beat the crap out of them. Nice, beautiful. World Series champs, card number 1, isn't it? Yep. World Series champions. We're just gonna dwell on that for a second.
Yeah, great. Thanks. There's about 8 subscribers. Parents are probably covering their kids' eyes.
Yep.
Here's that first card.
Shane Green. Oh, that's your team right there.
There you go.
How long's he been around?
A
A little while.
A few years, but.
Mark Trumbo. This is
Kuna.
different. Oh, it's an insert.
Kind of like an all-star card, or.
It is. What does it say? It says what it was. Oh, New Age Performers. So they do that every year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kind of like Topps all-star rookie.
Yeah. Kind of. Schwarber. He's awesome. Yelich. Freddie Freeman's awesome. Kyle Crick.
Nice.
No relation to Harold Crick from the movie Stranger Than Fiction.
I'll zoom in just a little bit here so you guys don't have to strain so hard to see.
Kashner. The Braves rookies. Nationals. He pitched today. Watched him pitch. He's not bad.
Cool.
I mean, he got worked over by the Red Sox. We just don't know.
Yeah.
Dansby Swanson, that kid is going to be something special. Waiting for the big one. What's this? What is this? Play
Scratch
baseball
off.
scratch off.
Oh.
What is going on here?
I have some of these from this era, and in the box where I get the 75 minis out of, there's a bunch of those in there.
Interesting.
So, I thought they were football related though, but I can't remember.
Whoops.
So it must be something they did back then. They're just
I mean,
It's a
is
game
that
you can
actually
play.
something you can scratch on? Yeah, it's got it. It's textured.
yeah.
Huh.
I know. I wonder how many people actually will scratch those.
I'm not.
Kids would, but
Bizarre. Ruffin Odor. He's the one that got in the fight.
mm-hmm.
Too bad that's his legacy now. In Syndergaard. They call him Thor. Obvious reasons.
Found a good one here. It's on the side, see if you see it.
Strikeout leaders.
Sure.
DeGrom. He's
Is it National League? Yeah, it's National
Yeah.
League. Like, okay.
another New Age performer, Aaron Nola,
Nice.
for the Phillies. Just signed an unknown player. Bryce
What do you
something.
think about-
Oh, that guy.
What do you think about that guy signing with the Phillies after the comments he made? I mean, do you think the Philly fans will actually like this? I mean, they'll be excited to somehow be excited to have him play, but man, I bet the Boo Birds are gonna be out
Yes.
too.
Well, I mean, Wade Boggs went from the Red Sox to the Yankees,
Yeah,
and
but
that
he
was okay.
He didn't make the comments that
This is
were
true,
made
yeah.
about maybe they'll relocate the team. I mean, come on, man.
Yeah, that was a little extreme,
I was really not expecting him to sign with them.
especially for 13 years. Pro 40 is awesome. Chapman, Aaron Hicks, not bad. I mean, for a Yankee, he's good. Oh, sorry. Come back to Tigers.
Oh, here we go.
Jared Hughes, Ben Zobrist. Used to be good. Now he's just old.
Yeah, he was a tool. He moved around to a lot of different
Yeah.
teams, and man, they were playing in the deep into the playoffs too. Went he with the Royals that one year, and then the Cubs.
Yeah, Zobrist. Yeah.
I thought he was with somebody else too. That they all three all went deep in the playoffs. So
He was a big fan favorite when he was in Kansas City too. Oh, he used to be in Kansas City. The Moose.
yeah, still not used
He,
to seeing him.
and Hosmer both went. Hosmer went to the Padres. Belch. Giles. I miss Hosmer. He was a cool guy. I can't believe those guys left. They had so much fun in KC.
Oh yeah, they gelled well together.
Here's your Tigers
Here's
rookies.
rookies. Let me see that card real quick. Christian Stewart.
Dahl Lugo.
Yeah, nice. I'm not familiar with the new guys. I'm not even going to comment because I don't follow them that close in the off season. So
Was that the game? Oh, it's NLCS. That's not the 18 inning game. Hey, Will Smith. Getting jiggy with it. JD Martinez.
Danny Mart.
He used
All
to,
the good
he used to
Tigers
play
are
for
good.
this other team, but he went to a better team.
Yeah, it's like we become your guys' farm team. It seems to be.
And we appreciate it so much.
Also, you can't win it with a.
We'll
former
take
Tiger
we'll take
players.
Verlander next.
You know,
JBJ, speaking of which. Let's put him aside. Well, yeah, put him aside. Herrera, what's this? Flashbacks. Oh, look who it is. You know who that dashing young stud is?
it's a
Nolan
Greg
Ryan.
Wilson. Oh, yeah, I was like, yeah,
He don't look like that no more.
yeah.
He still goes to all the.
Pinstripes threw me
Games,
off
though.
on that jersey though.
Yeah, that's when
That's why I was like Greg Nettles. I was like, oh, that's a Yankees uniform.
he was Mets, I believe. This guy is pretty fun to watch.
I remember when he played for Detroit. You talk about getting nervous on the mound. That dude would sweat so much you'd think he'd been running a marathon out there. Fernando Rodney, isn't that who it was?
Michael Waka. Yeah, it was right. Torres. That guy was a hot rookie last year.
Yeah.
He was big. No idea. Chris Sale. That dude's a stud. Of course, we all know that. Can't beat that price.
Another former Tiger. I'm just saying.
Just saying. Hey, don't get me wrong.
Who's
Great.
your second baseman there last year too? Wasn't he a Tiger at one time?
I don't know. The real second baseman didn't play very much.
Yeah, I wonder why.
Because of what's his name? Can't remember his name. Guy for the Orioles who's not with the Orioles anymore. Who slid and took him out.
Yeah. Machado.
Yeah, Manny Machado. That's who it is. Yeah. Mookie. That guy. That guy.
I just don't know about this product. There's way too many
He
Red Sox
is
players.
better than Bryce Harper.
Well, you're gonna get the comments.
Better player than
Just
Bryce
remember,
Harper.
the guy that's channel this is not the one that's saying that. So hold the comments, guys.
Unless you agree with me, then comment away. Porcello, another former Tiger.
Former Tiger, I'm telling you.
Hey, my team is your team. You should just come on over to Boston with me. Stephen Wright, knuckleballer. He is now a relief pitcher.
Put him in against Detroit, and it'll be like a T-ball match. They love knuckleball pitching. in
Knuckleball
Detroit.
pitchers put in the middle of a game. I think it's a brilliant idea because it throws off everybody's timing. Ooh, the rookie stars are different.
Saved by the Bell.
Bell, that's still NLCS. Who'd they play in the NLCS? Oh, the Brewers, that's right. Nobody remembers the guys who lost.
Lots of rappers. Where's the good card?
Right?
Everybody here's like wanting to know what a good card is.
So in this set, there's 500 cards. The commons, or I guess the regular cards, are 1 through 499. And no, 1 through 500. And then 1 through 400.
You got the high numbers.
And then 401 to 500 are short prints.
Yep.
And then later, the high numbers will come out, which is like the heritage version of updates.
Whoa, go back a card. That doesn't look right.
You're thinking of Brian McCann.
No, I'm thinking James McCann's card might be a short print. I guess they are kind of posing pictures.
Yeah, no, it says 92.
Okay, yeah, that was just an awful close-up photo.
No, yeah, then the
He's gonna look it up real quick, guys, and just make sure.
yeah, 92 is the base card.
Okay.
But I'll definitely go back with a magnifying glass because you need one to check for this. Oh, Mike Trout. Well, there
Two
you
in a
go.
row. Fan Perez.
He is still with the Royals. He's a celebrity in Kansas City. I mean, far beyond baseball. They love him
Here's Salvi.
because he's fun. He's one of those guys that you watch him play ball and you can just tell he's having a good time. John Gray, he's going to be something.
We'll go back.
What
Who's the
is-
Tiger player? Quit skipping over the good
Oh, sorry.
cards. Matt Boyd. There you go. All right, now you can move on.
What is this?
Huge crowd rocks Isle of.
Oh, Isle of Wight, yeah.
It's a concert.
Yeah. That's cool.
Did you go to Metallica last night?
Nah.
No.
Thought about it, but then I realized I would only know half the songs. It's not like when I went to Guns N' Roses and sang every lyric to every song. Abreu. He's not bad. Zach Wheeler.
Are all the fonts different? Like the Rays right there is yellow.
The colors?
Yeah, are they all yellow?
No.
No, okay, all right. I just saw that white
But
one.
you got two Mets that are different colors.
Yeah, I'm just
I
kind of.
wonder if that's because that's one of the things they do. Nope, they're both 92. Is switch the colors.
What year
around.
was that? Was that like '89 Flair that came out with the halo on the Angels?
Yeah.
It was either highlighted or not highlighted.
Or the what was the very first year of Flair? 81, when
that's just
when they had the
Variation
little
City.
that like they had pictures with the mouse finger on it,
Oh,
and some of the prints came out with the mouse on it, so they just called it a variation. It was a screw up, and they called it a variation. Ooh, there we go. Batting leaders, 66% Red Sox. Justin Turner, that guy is solid. As much as I hated to watch him play last year. Ozzy Albies is going to be something too. Scherzer, he's
Scherzer's actually on track, man. He's running faster than Verlander on strikeouts right now. So, if they both stayed on pace and they could both play as many years as Nolan Ryan, they'd both beat him.
those
right now.
aren't. These are base cards.
Yeah.
They're not. They're not inserts.
Yep.
Learn something new every day. Keep waiting.
Oh, getting close
Keep
here.
waiting for the
They're left in there.
what is it? The autograph or relic.
I'll have to pull an auto. So I know that one product that came out was really kind of.
Dude, I'll tell you what. I bought a hobby box of 2019 tops and got a Frank Thomas autograph.
Yeah, you should have recorded that so I could put it up here for him.
No, that guy sold quick too. $80 I got for it.
Nice.
Christian Yelich.
Yeah.
Gregorius. Who names their kid DD?
No Judge, no Otani yet.
Right? Saturated with those last year.
It's saturated with Red Sox players.
I'll bet they're both in the 500 plus. Oh, here we go.
Got a relic card.
Ooh, Ryan Braun, who just retired.
Nice. Is
Just
that a bat card?
retired.
Is that what that is? Piece of bat?
Yeah.
Nice.
Put that aside.
Not that thick. I figured it'd be thicker than that, you know?
He just retired. I only know that because the Sox played the Brewers the other day, and I had to watch it on MLB.TV through the Brewers
Did you
TV
even get through that
broadcast.
pack? You just kind of set them down.
Oh yeah, I
figured-
totally did. I didn't even
Yeah.
look. Yeah.
You just kind of set them down.
Man, I got all excited about the Braun.
I missed the Verlander in there.
I'll bet he's. See, I'm thinking all the really good players are in the 401 to 500. I printed the checklist.
That was Elish there. So
RBI leaders. Oh, that's National League. Sandoval, he used to be with the Sox, and then he got too fat, and so they released him. Like literally.
I remember.
Mug shot.
And he come from San Francisco?
Yeah, and then went back to San Francisco.
Yeah.
Pierce, boom, 2 home runs. I think that was that game. Rockies.
You need to collect yourself a second set of those, put them on the wall down there.
Exactly. With the way Topps likes to just put doubles in everything, they'll probably have more than enough. There's the Royals.
You guys are
Ooh,
local, so you got doubles of this product, let me know. Might be able to hook you up with doubles or trades if you're trying to put a set together. I personally won't be collecting this product. I'm just not into Heritage. I don't know. They're neat. I like the when they did the 68s. I liked them, but after that, I lost interest in them.
He is underrated, I think. And I'll see us. JD Martinez. Booyah.
Can't believe he did win the home run thing after all. Somebody from the Athletics came and picked him up.
And what?
Somebody from the Athletics actually won the home runs.
Oh, yeah.
In the
In
American
that
League.
All-Star game, yeah.
It's pretty bad. I don't even know his name.
They like him in KC, too.
Where did Herrera go? Didn't he move this year?
I'm not quite sure. Hang on. Did I just see... Oh, Corey Seager, I thought I had. And then Kyle Seager.
That's a variation.
Something like that, yeah.
Polling station.
Voting age in the U.S. lowered to 18.
Must be something that happened in 1970.
1970.
Here's your fun fact of the day, guys. You can pause the video if you want to read the whole thing.
Interesting.
Did that card have a number on it too?
Yeah, it's
Like part of the set? Or is it an
It's a-
extension?
NF9, yeah. It's
Yeah.
an insert. We'll say Martinez. See, the big players, Pedroia not in here. Harper's not in here.
We got one Harper.
That was on a
One of those, whatever.
yeah. But then Harper's not in here. The
So-
2 rookies from last year aren't in here.
That is what you guys
No
get
Judge?
out of a base. That's the base cards that we know of. I mean, he's gonna have to go back through and see what the short prints are. The scratch off card, you've got that big dog thing back in the back if you want to open that up too.
Oh yeah. Oh, after I knock everything down.
Oh my gosh.
So excited.
Boston fans, I tell you.
I know.
It kind of reminds me of that
We
guy.
hit everything.
Who was that? Bill Buckner that booted that one? I think that's what you just did right there.
No, Bill Buckner missed. I hit this one.
Yeah. Somewhere under there.
It's a good thing these are my collection and they're going into my notebooks. All right. Super
I
baseball.
get people that question that all the time. Notebook, question mark. He puts them in binders, guys.
Binders. Yes.
The 9-sleeve binders if you're not following along.
all of them.
Some people do that. They don't put them in boxes. They put them in binders. I put them in boxes. He puts them in binders. What are you going to do? Who is it? Clemente?
Ooh.
Roberto
That's
Clemente. Nice. Is that numbered or anything on the back? That is a
Look at
sweet looking
that.
card, man.
That is pretty bamf.
I actually like that card. That is sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know who else is gonna like it?
Huh.
The person who's gonna buy it from me.
Yeah. Goodness.
So
Well, guys, that's the product right there. Again, base cards. You got some insert cards, and you got the large card. I don't know what they call them, and I don't know where you did with your relic. It must be over here somewhere. Yes, it is in this pile. There's the relic insert card, and I mean it's just right there, Ryan Braun. So
okay, see, look, this is over 400.
yes.
So it's 112. Under 400, it is 92.
Oh, okay. So yeah, you guys have to do all the research. Maybe I'll do another video on this sometime when we can identify what all the numbers are, so we can just besides show you the numbers. This is what that is what you're looking for on those tail end cards. So when you see those are at the tail end right back. Sorry, right here, right there at the bottom in the lower right corner. That's what you're looking for. So appreciate it, guys. We'll talk to you later. Our video on let's see, Sunday probably, Saturday or Sunday. Bye.